Hello. In this module, we will be talking about a software that's called SPSS, that stands for Statistical Package for Social Sciences. This package was initially came out in 1968, when later on, with further developments in 2009, IBM has acquired it. And now the recent version we have is 2015. That's called IBM SPSS. Though by name SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Sciences, but with the passage of time, it has evolved and its usability has grown into various fields, like in health sciences, business analytics, and predictive analytics and beyond. So in this module, we will try to learn the very basics of SPSS, that how this software has been laid out. As you turn SPSS on, you will see a first dialog box that will open in front of you. This dialog box will ask various options to work with the software. Like, it will also ask about new files if you need a new data set or new database query. Moreover, there are so many other options where it will talk about some tutorials and some other modules which we use in SPSS. SPSS does not only perform the very basic descriptive statistical analysis, but it also helps us to perform a lot of inferential analysis and modeling too. So as soon you click OK, it will ask for any existing data if you want to open. If you do not have any existing data to open, we can simply click cancel on it, and this window will show up, which is called SPSS Data Editor. This data editor window has various bars on it, as well as it has two views. The first view is called a data view, and the second view is called the variable view. One can simply toggle between these two by using a shortcut key, Ctrl-T. The data view is the view in the data editor that will save your data. The way this variable view, this data view has been laid out is that all the columns will represent each variable, whereas all the rows are called cases. So right now, if I click here, this highlighted line will show the case number 1. It could be the information of first respondent. The other view that's available to us is variable view. Variable view has a lot of options in it. It will define the very salient characteristics of any variable. Moreover, the SPSS has its menus available to us. So one can use various drop-down menus to perform various tasks within SPSS. It does have a status bar where right now, if you see, it shows IBM SPSS Statistics Processor is ready. Most of the time, if SPSS as a software is not properly installed or it's not properly licensed, sometimes it might install, but it will show a message that IBM SPSS Statistics Processor is not ready. This indicates that there must be some problem with the installation. Thank you.